Hi mga kabisaya, ang kakantahin ko ngayon ay isang requested song ni Mr. Tagay ko naman sa version ko ngayon kasi hirap ko kasi nakasulat. So ang title nitong kanta ay Count On You by Tony Sean yata yun. Hindi sure. Pero sana po ay magustuhan mo yung lahat mga kabisaya. When I feel like the world's gone mad and I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are. I cry these tears on our own. We've been so far, we've sworn at the moon, and we've counted a million stars. My love, still true. Friends have come and gone, some have left me alone, but I've stared at these walls before, and they've made me blue. All along in my heart I've known there's one thing in my life that still rings true. I can count on you. Count on you to be there. No questions in the air. No asking why or where. No looking back. Count on you every time to ease my worried mind. You'll forever be important to me, my miracle find. If I have to choose one place to spend the rest of my days, anywhere would do, long as it's close to you. At dahil dyan mga kabisaya, sana po ay huwag niyong kalimutang mag-subscribe sa akin YouTube channel at like sa mga videos at i-share mga kabisaya. Oh, count on you to be there. No questions in the air. No asking why or where. No looking back. Count on you every time to ease my worried mind. You'll forever be important to me, my miracle find. Now, oh now, I've traveled so far Yeah, I'm right back where you are. Just me and you. Now and forevermore. As the years roll by, I'm beginning to